Italian tasty recipes like lemon scaloppine or beef pizzaiola require a side dish with a stronger flavor. So today we're gonna make capsicum in the oven. Peperoni al forno. Let's see the ingredients.
12 capsicums to make 6 to 8 very small portions of this side dish. Extra virgin olive oil to separate half glasses or half cups if you like. 6 teaspoons of capers. 3 garlic cloves finely sliced. Oregano 1 teaspoon only. And finally 12 basil leaves roughly chopped. Using a short knife, make a circular cut around the stem, followed by a vertical cut to clean the capsicum from seeds and white parts. Once you clean them all, pour the first half a glass of olive oil in a large bowl. In the meantime, preheat the oven to 220 degrees Celsius or 430 Fahrenheit. Then give a quick oil massage to the capsicums inside-outside. Once you have applied a thin film of olive oil to all capsicums, put them in the oven. After 25 minutes, take them out of the oven and flip them over. And back to the oven. 20 minutes later, they are cooked and ready to be peeled off. But first, let them cool down a bit. To peel the skin off from all capsicums, it took me 25 minutes. There yet. First, we need to recoup the capsicum sauce from the tray. We will freeze it for future recipes. Then, we need to drain the capsicums in the platter before adding the final ingredients. Time to slice the garlic and pour the other half glass of extra virgin olive oil in the bowl. Forgive me if I take a shortcut. Then add the garlic, 6 spoons of capers, the basil, as well as a teaspoon of oregano. And now the final step, drain each piece of capsicum in the colander before dropping it in the bowl. And it's now the time to transfer the capsicums to the oval platter for the final presentation. A final piece of advice: cover your capsicums with a lid and let them rest in the fridge for 24 hours before serving.
Finally, it's the time for the test. Wow, the smell is fantastic. Try this. capers combination. Olive oil, garlic, capsicum. The whole thing mixed with a bit of oregano and basil. Perfect combination. This is going to be fantastic with scaloppine. Wow, the capers. I love the saltiness.